Tell them what we're doing today.
We are feeding the animals for Daddy.
Because what?
Because he's on a work trip.
He's on a work trip. So we're out of practice, aren't we, feeding the animals, but we're going to try to do the chores as good as Daddy does it. We'll see. Let's do it.
They don't need food.
You don't think the rabbits need food? They probably, let's see if their water's frozen. Yep, frozen solid. Okay, so we'll have to fix this.
Frozen. Or are they just out?
No, it's like, look, the line's up to here. Oh. Let's run some water in there and then it'll probably, it's getting above freezing now, so. Look who's patiently waiting.
Water's ice.
Need some water, Charles?
Here you go, Charles. Charles, you need some. Charles, you need some water? Huh?
Well, there's the problem with the rabbit's water.
Let me see this person.
No wonder they couldn't get any out, right? See if it's working, guys. See if it's working. It's working. I see it dripping. You're just looking in the wrong place. Okay. Well, Sydney left me to go find some better shoes. She had on flip-flops, and it's 30 degrees, but that's okay. So I guess I'm gonna feed this one. All right, Charles. There you go, buddy. All right, who's next? I think pigs and the dog. Hey, bring that bucket on top of the rabbit pen. Yes, the coffee container. Yeah, that's good. So we're gonna feed him some bones and stuff later. So let's go this way. We're gonna feed the pigs first, so they won't eat his food. Here they come. I knew they'd be waiting. You want me to do this part?
I'll do it.
Yeah, I would do one bucket, but 2 piles. Got it? Got it?
Yeah.
Here comes Petunia. Hi, Toon. This piggy's about as big as Petunia now.
I accidentally spilled it on the lid.
That's okay. Here, lilies come. Daddy said he fixed it to where they couldn't get out anymore, he didn't think. So I hadn't seen them in the yard, have you? You saw one?
Yeah.
Oh, I hadn't seen any in the yard. Here's a couple. Look at them come. Hungry hippos. All right, on to the next.
Mommy,
Did he? You been training them?
Yes.
Nice.
What have you been doing?
All right, Jacob. Good boy. Good boy.
Are you trying to get the feet out? On the ground? Why?
That's what Daddy said to do.
Oh.
It's so frozen. I gotta get this.
Good.
Okay.
There we go. We just poured the dry feed into the wet feed bucket. So now we're going to put water here. Stop, Stella.
Yeah, we gotta ferment it, so we're filling it up until we go and do the other chores, and then we'll come back and this water will be down, and then we'll put the rest of the water in there.
Okay.
And then I gotta fill up the dry feed right here.
Bubbly. Yeah. It looks,
And this will be for tomorrow.
Mommy,
What?
it looks like hot chocolate.
I don't know
No,
about
it
that.
doesn't. Hot chocolate has a lot of bubbles in it.
Yeah, they're really hungry. We're a little bit late feeding them today, so they're super hungry.
Look at the rooster.
He's big, isn't he? Hadn't seen him in a while.
Rooster.
Turn the fence off, sweetie. So we're going to feed the pigs, but we have to be quiet going in the fence, because if the sheep hear the chain rattling, they'll come up here thinking they're going to get fed, and then we'll have to deal with the rams. So we're going to take the stick with us just in case. They're waiting here. Good job being quiet. You cold? Are you cold? Okay,
Yeah.
so I gotta figure out what to do about this water situation for the pigs. I'm thinking it's gonna get above freezing like soon, so we could turn their water back on and it'll be fine. I'm pretty sure. So we'll try that, and then I'll come check on them in a while and see if it's working okay. That's okay. Just get it blocked. Unblocked.
Pig.
Have Daddy label these.
Pig feed. Why do you have to touch the pig feed? Always.
So the chickens get one of these. And they get one of these. And then we'll have to ferment these.
Almost like the pig's food. The nuts are stuck, and feed is very, very good. And then water is very, very good. If you combine them, it's very, 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 very heavy.
Yeah, that's why Mama's struggling, right? I'm not as strong as Daddy. Are y'all cold?
Yeah.
You ready to go inside?
Yeah. So cold.
Are you glad you did chores today?
Yeah.
Do you like it? I like it too every once in a while, just not every morning when it's below freezing.
Because it's almost gonna snow.
Yeah, maybe. All right. See you next time. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.